What up, y'all? It's me, Sister Girl Tuesday, back at it again with another baking video. And y'all, I was on a really good stretch. I was doing good with those other two recipes. This one is kind of a bop or flop situation. I'm gonna let y'all know by keeping it real candid if it's popping or if it's not. I'm gonna show you how I attempted to make the viral air fryer donuts, but vegan. There are definitely some modifications that need to be made, but I want you to just come along and watch this good, bad, and the tasty style video. And if you have made this video vegan, let me know how it works. Share your pro tips with me in the comment section below. And also let me know if you think it tastes like a donut. I think it's a nice, sweet kind of breakfast or dessert pastry, but I'm not quite sure if it's giving full donut vibes. So I want to know what you think. And you already know. Before you go, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I'll see y'all next time. Step 1. Take out the puff pastry dough, let it thaw. For me, it took about an hour. Sprinkling some flour on my cutting board, I'm laying out the puff pastry. I'm gonna take some melted butter. Now, originally you would do this with an egg, but I saw several people in the comment section saying that you could do this with melted butter. I didn't think about the fact that this would be vegan butter, so that was probably error 1. And now I'm just gonna fold this over on itself, and then I'm gonna freeze it for an hour. That's where I went wrong, because look how hard it is for me to try and cut this into circles. Do you see how much weight and pressure I'm putting on it? I feel like I should have never put it in the freezer. I feel like that's where I went wrong. So I'm holding this up to the camera so you can see all the layers. Yeah, again, trying to go back and make this into some circles. I mean, I guess it sort of kind of worked, and you saw that one was easier to cut because it's thawed. Why did we put it in the freezer? I guess that's for eggs. Gonna make the donut holes now. Putting them in my air fryer so they go in for 350 degrees for 20 minutes. That was also a mistake. They did not need 20 minutes. As you can see, I stop it here at about 3.5 minutes, and look at how crispy those are. So crispy that they're just falling apart. I feel like I've made shortbread cookies. They're burnt. So, attempt 2. I put these in. I make sure that it's again at 350, and I'm only gonna put it on for 6 minutes. Now I'm gonna go ahead and make the icing while that's cooling. So I'm gonna use my plant-based milk and some vegan icing. Mix that together in a Ziploc bag so that way we can pipe it out. And here's what our air fryer donut looks like.